In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated GIF to Outlook email. By the end, you'll confidently add a GIF to your message and quickly preview it to make sure it looks right. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search page. In the search bar, type Outlook and look for the official Outlook website in the results. Click through to open your inbox so you're on the main mail screen. Before composing, take a moment to make sure you already have the GIF you want saved on your computer. A GIF is a .gif file, and having it downloaded ahead of time will make the process smooth. If you just saved it, remember which folder it's in, like Downloads, Desktop, or a Project folder, so you can find it quickly. As a tip, smaller files upload faster and are less likely to cause issues. Now, in Outlook, click New Mail to open a fresh message window. This is where you'll add your subject and text later. But first, let's bring in the GIF. Look along the toolbar at the top of the Compose window and click Insert. From the Insert options, choose Attach File. This tells Outlook you want to include a file with your email. Next, click Browse this computer. Your file picker will open, letting you navigate through your folders. Locate the GIF you prepared earlier. If you're not seeing it, make sure the file type filter isn't hiding .gif files and double-check the folder you saved it in. Select the GIF and confirm your choice to start the upload. Once the upload completes, you'll see the GIF listed in the attachment area of the message. Click on the attached file to open a preview. This is a quick way to confirm you've selected the correct image and to watch the animation run. If the preview takes a moment to load, give it a second. Larger files can need a bit more time. If your preview shows a static image, that can be normal depending on your browser. The animation should still be preserved when the recipient opens it. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your GIF is very large, consider using a smaller version to keep your email light and fast to deliver. Also, be aware that some email clients may display attachments differently, so previewing here helps catch any surprises before you send. That's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened your mail, confirmed you had the GIF ready, clicked New Mail, went to Insert, chose Attach File, selected Browse this computer, picked your GIF, and previewed it. You're ready to use animated GIFs in your Outlook emails with confidence.